Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Suburban LT 1500 4x4. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 200,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.